What's up, boys and girls? I'm back, not dead. Sorry for the hiatus, but I tore my meniscus. So I've been here in Medellin, Colombia, hiding out for the last 45 days. So I can't do many adventures with a bum knee, so I figured I'd give you a little tour of my latest Airbnb that I've been hiding out for the last 45 days. So let's go check it out. The name of this place is called Edificio Niteroi, and I check out today, so I got to make a little video because I haven't done anything on this channel in forever. So let's go. VagaBondVito. It is a wrap here at Edificio Niteroi in El Poblado. So hopefully my knee will get a little bit better and I'll be able to do some walking tours for you guys. There's a lot of cool things to see here. I think I'm going to do a 6-month run. So I'll see you in the next one. Peace. VagaBondVito.